Right everyone, today what we're going to do is replace this bulb. I know that's gone because I've tried it with the other one on the right hand side. So the bulb is gone. So I went out and bought Drive Tech. Originally you're supposed to put Osram in. They're nearly over £100. Then you got your others which are ranging from 80 to 40 quid. But this one, what did I pay? I paid £22.08 from GSF. That's a company in the UK. That's what you get. It's got the same rating as the one on the Osram. So 35 watts. It says it on the box. D3S. 12 volt, 24 volt, 35 watt. And that's exactly what it says more or less on here. 35 watt D3S miles. So what I'm going to do is take that out and replace it with this one. Right, to remove this, there's a collar here. Yeah, so if you can see that, just there, this collar here. And then all you do is push it down. It's going to be hard. I know I'm blocking the camera, but it's one of those. There we go. So that's moved down, and you saw that move there, that section there. So gently remove it. Well, you don't have to be gently on a blown bulb. So we'll remove this. And that's what we're removing. Yeah. So you need to, I think it was rotate it that way, and then, or is it that way? And then just remove this section because you need this. Tell you what, let's disconnect it. Put that down. And now we need to transfer that onto that. There we go. That's the blown new one. There's a certain way. Yeah, that's it. You put it in like that, then you turn it so it locks into place where it needs to be. So when you put it back in, it'll lock in. Yeah, so we'll remove the protection. So there is a difference. That one's white, that one's greeny. But if that's a word. Anyway, let's go back over here. Get that plug. Fit it. There's a notch here somewhere. There, so that should incorporate with the notch on here. You know you got it right. Straight in. Now you got to be careful when you put it back in there. So going in, and yeah, be careful. Right, that's in. So all you do now is push this up so it locks into place. And I don't think that's gone in. So undo it. Now we're getting somewhere. That's in. There we go. That's locked into place. Not moving. So that's in. Now we'll take it over to the car and try it out. But one thing to note, this is actually in the car when you change this, so bit of difficulties, but you could always take this. These lights are really easy to take out of the car, so you may as well just save the hassle, take the headlight out, change it, put it back on, put it back in. So there's the plug. Yes, it's knackered, it's broken, but there's nothing I can do with that. So plug it in, there we go, and I'm just going to seat it in place. There we go. I'm only trying this out, so I'm going to go in the car and then that should light up. And there we go, working. So now we know that's working, we're just going to disconnect it, take it back and rebuild the whole light. So let's take that out. There we go, take it back in. So we've got the light working, you've seen that. Drive Tech, first time using it. I must have said that before, but yeah, £22.08 from GSF. I can't argue with that. It's better than paying £100 odd for original Osram, but it's got the same rating and everything. So time will tell. Maybe do a follow-up video once I've completed the whole light, the whole unit, and put it back in. But as far as I'm concerned, yeah, I would recommend it, but time will tell. So on that note, we'll end it for now, and I'll get back to you and do a follow-up. So if you like this video, please do give it the thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe, helps the channel grow. It'll be brilliant if you could. Nice one.